leaders in cooking technology, have been for a long time. So we're launching an entire new line across our Profile, Cafe, and Monogram brands. So the biggest difference with induction cooking technology is rather than heating the cooktop surface itself, you're using a magnetic field to heat the cookware. And so it's really the cookware that's heating your food as opposed to the surface itself. It's much easier to clean, and of course there's a safety element too. I mean, if you think about a typical radiant cooktop, that glass cooking surface itself gets hot. And in fact, even once you've turned the burner off, it can stay hot for a while. Induction's different because the surface itself isn't getting hot, so especially for those with young children, it's a really appealing benefit to the product. It's kind of the performance of gas cooking but with an electric surface. I think the most exciting part of these new induction cooktops really is the control. I mean, this glide touch control is just unlike anything I've seen on a kitchen appliance. It really is akin to something you're used to using on your smartphone or your tablet. Really state-of-the-art precision controls. You just glide your finger, you get this great, beautiful looking LED backlit indicator that comes on. It's just a lot of fun to use, really. We're also introducing a griddle accessory that comes with our Cafe and Monogram induction cooktops. We've seen griddle cooking really grow in popularity with gas consumers. There's a need for people who have electric cooktops who also want to use griddles with those cooktops as well. The market continues to grow as more and more people hear about the technology and get comfortable with it.